how to withdraw Solana from Phantom Wallet to bank account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to first get our money or Solana from Phantom Wallet over here. So in Phantom Wallet, you're simply going to, or rather in our Bybit over here or any exchange platform, you're first going to deposit over here. We're going to deposit cryptocurrency into our assets. Over here, simply select our Solana, like our chain over here, click on acknowledge, and then you're simply going to copy the sol address given to us over here. Go to your Phantom wallet and click on send over here, Solana, and then simply enter your address over here that you have gotten from Bybit or any other exchange platform and enter the amount of Solana that you want. After receiving the Solana, what you're going to do next, you're going to go to our assets over here and you're simply going to select Solana, which will typically appear first over here if you have it. So locate Solana, and there should be an option here click called sell. And over here, we're going to sell our Solana into Fiat. So simply give it a bit of time over here to load. There we go. So let's wait for the sell section to appear. But there we go, as you can see. So simply enter the amount of sol that you want to sell. For example, that one. And then you can select here what type of fiat do you want to receive. And you should be able to receive that. And after that, you're just simply going to click on sell. After you sell that, you should be able to receive euro or any fiat. After that, simply click on withdraw and click on fiat withdrawal over here. And you're just simply going to enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw over here. And there should be an available payment method over here for bank. In my location, it's not currently available, but for you guys, it should be available as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.